Hi, I am Mamta Mittal. I am Art Director at Art Explorer Academy. Hope you will enjoy today's session.
What is the origin of Varli art? Why Varli art is becoming famous nowadays? So let's start the session now with the introduction of Varli art. So Varli art is a very beautiful form and very easy form of art because it is made up of the shapes like circles and triangles and lines. Okay. So anybody who is small, big, children, adults, everybody can draw the Varli art. It's not very tough to learn it. So it's an Indian folk art. So it came from Maharashtra. Okay, so people used to uh, draw the drawings on their walls of the house using the white chalk. Okay, white chalk powder. So that is how the art was done. So the Varli art reflects the tradition and day-to-day life of the tribes. So mainly it shows the celebrations along with the family members. If you see all the Varli art designs, they have the celebration theme. Okay. So what we are going to do today is, so we will be going to make a beautiful Varli art today. And I'm going to take my marker. So please take your marker and take a scale and keep your paper horizontal like this. Okay. And make the margin like this. Okay. So just make the margin on the paper with your DVD marker or sketch pen, black sketch pen. Okay. Go. Okay. So now I have made the margin. So let's move on to the drawing. So I'm making a wall over here. So this is just a wall. Actually, I should have drawn it little late. So just leave the gap little over here. Okay, I'm leaving the gap. And this is the wall. So I'm going to make a balloon seller. Okay, so just make a triangle like this. And that like this, yeah. So this is the triangle. Okay, and make another triangle like this. Okay, so I'm making the legs now. And I'm making a small circle. Okay, so here is the balloon seller, and he is holding two balloons in his hand. So you can make any design of the balloon. So nowadays, if you have seen that balloon come in many sizes and shape, and they will have the shapes of the cartoon character as well. Okay, so I am making a long and striped balloon and a oval balloon with the circles. So this guy, he is hanging the bag in his shoulder. So this is his money bag, and this is the hand. Okay, so this is our balloon seller. So you can see how beautifully we have come up with the drawing only using the circle, triangle and lines. Okay, and now I'm making two girls. You can make a boy as well. So this is the girl. So I make two triangles. One is upside down like this, and they are just raising their hands to pick up the balloon. So this is the ponytail of the girl hairstyle, and the other. So boy and girl both are same. So you can distinguish them with the hairstyle. Okay, so this is the hand, and he is holding something in his hand, and the other hand like this. Okay, so it's a balloon seller and there are two kids. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a tree over here, which is behind the wall. This is the tree, coconut tree. Okay, so it has some lines like this, and there is a sun. And now we are going to make a cycle. So just make two small circles for the wheel. Okay, a little distance apart. Like this. Okay, so one dot in the center, and you can use your scale as well to make the lines in the cross lines in the wheel of the cycle. So this is the cycle, and now I'm going to just make a double line for the wheel guards. Okay. This is the handle of the cycle. And there is a basket. So you can just make the check boxes in the basket and a cycle seat. Okay. So this is the cycle of the balloon seller. So you can just fill the black color in this. See, I am telling you the design of the Varli art. So for all the ladies and the adults who are present in the group, so they can do the watercolor or any other color medium. So they can just try it on the cloth as well. So it can be done on any surface with any color medium. Okay. So I'm just telling you the pattern and the importance of Varli art. Like this. So I'm just gonna draw a pedal. So this is the pedal of the cycle. Okay. So, and now I'm going to make few more balloons in the so you can draw as many balloons as you like. I'm just going to add 4. Okay, so the one is the heart shaped balloon. And the second is a oval shaped and with stripes. Okay, and the another one is a long one with the long stripes. Okay, and one more. So this is a quite different shape of the balloon. And now I'm going to make a cloud over here. So this is the scenery for the Varli art. Okay. So I will wait for you guys to complete. By that time, I'm just going to color in the faces of the people. I'm waiting if you feel that the speed is high. So I'm just waiting for you guys. Okay, I'll wait for 5 minutes after this so you can complete your drawing. And after that only when you are done with your drawing, then we will move on to the coloring. So don't worry about that. Okay. So I'm just filling in the faces of the people with the marker. So generally, if you see, mostly they are done on the colored paper. So we can make the background using the watercolor as well. Okay. Yes, Reena, you can type in the chat box. What do you want to ask? Yes, we have session tomorrow as well. Kavish, I will check for everybody after the class. Okay. So you can make the border here as well, or you can just fill it with the black color. So I'm just going to fill it with the black color. I'm not going to make any border over here. Or yeah, I can do that also actually. So you can make a triangular shape border. Okay. So this is a scenery of the Worli art with the balloon seller selling the balloons on the street, and two kids are showing interest in buying it. Okay. So this way you can just make a triangular pattern on the border. It looks beautiful. So every Indian folk art has its own importance and its own origin, because India is a country of diversity. So you will see different form of art, and every art is beautiful in its own way. Okay. So different art form represents the culture of the people at that time when the art was developed. Okay, I'm waiting for 5 minutes. Everybody, please complete your drawing. Yes, yes. String can also be colored black. Yes. So you can color it black. So you can do the coloring of your choice. Okay. So there is no hard and fast rule that whatever colors I am using, you are also supposed to do that. No. I'm waiting, giving you 5 minutes. Please complete. Then we will move on to the coloring. Okay, everyone. So, shall we color it? You are done. Kashia, you are done. Okay, good. You are super fast. I will check everybody's drawing after it is complete. Okay? Yes, yes. Yeah. I saw art. What is your name? I don't know. Beautiful drawing. Good job. Good job. Very good. Very good. All of you are doing good job. Vaibhav, good job. Yes, Dhriti Singh. You made a tree and a girl, Dhriti. Yeah. Good, good. Okay. Okay. So let's move on to the coloring. Yes, Kavish. Good job. Good job. Very nice. So your bag is very small. You can increase the size of the bag. Yeah. Yes, Pranchi. Good job. Very good. Very good. Manasvi. Very good. Wow. Everybody is doing a good job. I'm so happy. All of you are making the beautiful drawings. Yes. Yeah, Reena. Good job. Very good, Reena. Very good. Okay, so let's move on to the coloring. Looks like some of them. Okay, that's a wallet, Kavish. Okay, so you made a small wallet instead of a big bag, money bag. Okay, so guys, let's move on to the coloring. Okay, so I'm taking all the colors because we are going to make it very colorful. So I'm just going to do the pink color in the sailor's dress. Okay, so this is the pink color. So I will use orange color for the girl's dress. Yes, you can color of your own choice. Yes, you can submit your drawing on the Facebook. I will share the link. Please submit it with the name, age, and city. Otherwise, I will not know whose drawing it is. Okay. Now I'll use the yellow color for the other girl's dress. holding some kind of knitting material. And the orange. Okay, and the seat of the cycle as well, I'll make orange. Now I will do green color for the tree. Okay, so I'm just going to do this also green. For the oh, some people are already done. Oh my god, you guys are super fast. So I know everybody is super excited to learn. So let's hurry up, everyone, because the session is going to be over in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and yeah. So this is Okay. So now I take, which color shall I do it here? I'll take pink. So you can do color of your own choice. Okay. So I'm going to make the heart balloon red color. Yes, wall you can color. So I'm going to use the light green color for the wall. You can use orange, or you can use skin color, light brown color. Okay. Now I'm just making the color in the cloud. Okay, so we are almost done with the drawing. So you can just make the wall like this. I'm using the pen so that it becomes a little faster. So you can use the color of your own choice.
Ma'am, this is Shavya. Why are you putting this green? Why are you putting the green stripe?
Ma'am, it's very beautiful. Hello, everyone. Hello.
Please,
Ang
please concentrate and you.
Mama phải hả?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are done with the drawing. So that's what the Worli art was. So you can just
Ma'am, what
fill
color
in.
you have to do in the stem of coconut tree?
You can do brown color. I'm just leaving it like that. So you can fill in the patterns, the border like triangles like this. Okay. So I'll show you one line so you can complete it. So we need to wind up the session. Time is over. And please don't forget to send your drawings. I would love to see the beautiful creations. from your side.
I haven't done
So
the
all
way
your
Wait, I wanna be your savior. I wanna be your mister. I wanna make your heart. Okay, I know you all sit down.
please,
Make your heartbeat run like a roller coaster. And you could be the beauty and I could be the Daddy.
Blue.
Hello everyone. Hello. Where my drawing board is just hello.
you are sitting in the class. What is this? You are sitting in the class unnecessarily making the noise, right? That's why I don't
Blue.
Please complete your drawing and show. Okay, send it in the Facebook. Just upload it there. And we are coming up with the art competition next week. So there is no theme. You can submit any of your drawing or paintings as well. I will send you the link where to upload your paintings for the art competition. So there is a separate link for that. Do participate. You may get a chance to win a gift. So this is how you can make the borders. Okay. So I have done it on one side. So you can just do it on every side. Okay. Wow, Shravya, beautiful. Yes, Kashia, yeah, beautiful. See, you have made a hut also. I like the house you made, Kashia. Very beautiful, beautiful, Shravya. So, Shravya, you have your entry. Yes, like last week, your entry got selected. I like your drawing very much. So, 2 claps for Shravya. Very good. Good job, Shravya. So, hope everybody is done. Wow, Dhriti, very good. Very beautiful. Dhriti, good job. Okay, everyone. Bye. Wow. Okay. Very good, Manasvi. Very good, Aprajit. Prisha Gupta. Very nice, Prisha. Beautiful cycle. Very good. Okay, everyone. Bye. Oh, wow. Yes, Shravya. Very nice. Okay. Bye, everyone. Let's see you tomorrow in the next session at 3 o'clock. Bye-bye.
I hope you had a wonderful session. Bye. Thank you.